the art of tone and expression in English storytelling and jokes. Hello, wonderful learners! Today, we are diving into the enchanting world of English storytelling and jokes. Specifically, we'll focus on using appropriate tone and expression to enhance your speaking skills. Remember, the way you say something can be just as important as what you're saying. Let's get started. Tone and expression refer to the emotion and emphasis you put into your speech. They give your words color, making your storytelling more engaging and your jokes funnier. Tone is about the mood or emotion conveyed, while expression involves stressing certain words or varying your pitch and volume to convey meaning. When telling a story, your tone should match the mood of the story. If it's a scary story, use a low and slow tone to build suspense. For a happy story, use a bright and lively tone. Try it out. Practice saying, "Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom," in different tones. Expressiveness is what brings your characters and scenes to life. To achieve this, change your voice for different characters, pause for dramatic effect, and use volume variation to build excitement or quiet moments. Try saying, "The giant roared, 'Who's been sleeping in my bed?' with as much expression as you can. Jokes rely heavily on tone. The punchline often depends on a sudden change in tone, moving from a neutral tone to one of surprise or irony. For example, try delivering the classic joke, "Why don't we ever tell secrets on a farm?" Because the potatoes have eyes, the corn has ears, and the beans stalk. Notice how your tone shifts to deliver the punchline effectively. Expression plays a key role in joke delivery. It involves timing, emphasis on certain words, and often a surprising or exaggerated tone at the punchline. Practice with this joke. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Play with the timing and emphasis to see how it changes the joke. So there you have it, learners. Remember, mastering tone and expression is a process, but with practice, you'll see a significant improvement in your English storytelling and joke-telling skills. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun while learning. Until next time, happy learning!